Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Betterman's Reel. My name is Manish. Today I'll be doing a hair tutorial on the most versatile hair pomade. It's one of my favorite products in the styling closet. It's Hybrid by Stickmore Hair Company based in California, US. Stickmore Hair is owned by a duo, Cyrus and Jacob. They are incredibly talented guys in developing amazing hair care product. Hybrid is a firm hold medium shine product, and without saying, it's an unorthodox water based, but it's oil based too. Got confused? Well, it has the properties of cream, paste and pomade. It's a combination of everything. Though this product has been there in the market for so long and reviewed by my fellow YouTubers, therefore I'm not going to do a detailed review of the product. I'll take you through the hair prep and the styling process. In the meanwhile, give a few seconds to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications button so that you can get the latest updates on the hair tutorial videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then you're slacking. Visit Instagram right away and hit the follow button to know more about pomades, men's grooming and hairstyles. By the way, thank you for supporting my first video and I greatly appreciate that. Without further ado, let's start. First thing first, I just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner and literally they are nice and clean now. I towel dried them. So on my table I got a hair dryer, a round brush, white tooth comb, OGX argan oil. On my table as well I got the product itself on the table, which is Stickmore Hybrid. Since I'm a huge fan of OGX argan oil, it provides a lot of nourishment to hair, remove frizz, as well as is also act as the heat protectant, and it smells really amazing. So I'll be taking a couple of drops of OGX argan oil. I'll take that in and apply it thoroughly. So I'm going to use the blow dryer now along with the round brush. I'll put my dryer on the highest heat and speed settings. I'll also provide the links down below for the brush and all the items that I use in this video. So let's start this. First, I will brush it back to make sure there is no frizz or remove if there are any knots or clumps. Now I'm going with the flat wrap technique. So I will push my hair towards the natural direction first and then I'll be pulling it back, give a slick back look. I'm going to move the hair in the opposite direction to get super volume and pushing my sides down so that they don't become poofy. Lastly, I'm going to move hair in the natural direction in parts. And blast with cold air for 30 seconds or so to lock everything in place. So now my hair is fully dried and seems a little uncontrolled, and here is what I am going to use the product itself. But before that, I wanted to shout out for the scent, which is pretty amazing. I would say it's manly for sure. I got to know the interesting fact that Cyrus and Jacob both have approached women to understand what kind of fragrance they would like for their significant others. Having said that, now I'm going to use the product. So I'm going to use the dime size scoop, rub it in my hand. It's really a creamy consistency and I really love this kind of consistency a lot. So since it is absorbed fully in my hand, I'm going to rub it back to front. I'll make sure I spread it evenly. I always recommend that you should start the product with small amount and then apply more if required. So here's the second scoop that I'm throwing in, because I know the length, which is 5 to 6 inches, at the fringe area, so I'm making sure that it absorbs fairly. So here's the third scoop that I'm going to apply, which gives me the highest hold level, and you know it's going to hold it for the day. It looks perfect now, and I'm getting pretty decent hold. To be honest, I have some 30 odd pomades in my styling arsenal, and I believe that I'm going to kill this one at the first place, and hope you imagine the love that I have for this product. It's time to comb the hair and start with the styling process. I like white tooth comb because it really gives the nice clean look, as well as it helps to avoid any kind of tug or pull, and without a doubt it gives me the palm style every single day that I wanted to achieve. So here I'm starting with the palm style, and I am literally loving this one. Hybrid gives a superior hold and provides the flexibility to restyle your hair throughout the day. But don't expect much of a volume from this kind of product. However, it gives some kind of decent volume though. It's really a unique product that I've ever used, and it pretty much washes out with lukewarm water or a little bit of shampoo. Dang, here's the final style. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to become the YouTube family. Follow me on my Instagram page, which is at Betterman. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down in the section below. Please make sure you check out Stickmore's website, their product line, and their Instagram page. Give them a follow. I'll provide all the links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and stick with Stickmore. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay awesome.